Hello students. Now in previous video I read this poem and give you the explanation. In this poem the poet discuss about the difficulties in learning English spelling, and he also discuss about the difficulty of plurals and pronouns. Now we go to the exercise. Listen and repeat. So you have to listen it carefully. 10 pen men, me see agree, feet meet beat. So you have to read it and repeat it. Word power. Read the words given in the boxes. So you have to read all these words which are given in this box. Now classify them into following table. So you have to put the words from here which is singular and the words which is plural. So here first one is given to you, like army becomes armies in plural. Foot, feet. Cherry, cherries. Box, boxes. Child, children. Knife, knives. Lice, louse. Mango, mangoes. Mouse, mice. And there are some more words like leaf, leaves. Goose, geese. Woman, women. Brother, brothers. So you have to write it in your fair notebook. Now go to the next. Complete the following sentences by choosing the right word from the words given in the bracket. So we have to find the correct word from the bracket and write it here. Like a knife is difficult or dangerous? Dangerous. Second, it was raining heavily because or so we did not go from the for the picnic. So, an iron ball with dash into the water. Iron ball, sink. People did not have computer in ancient times. The girl had a blue belt around her waist. W-A-I-S-T, waist. Now next go to the comprehension. Choose the correct options, answers. The poem speaks about geese and cows, why English spelling is so difficult to learn, a child reading a book, and a box. So in all the four of it, the B1 is the correct answer. Why English spelling is so difficult to learn. Second, the poet is complaining that making plural in English is very easy. There are feminine pronouns. English is a tricky language and making plurals in English is difficult. So answer is English is a tricky language. Third, which two difficult areas of English are discussed in the poems? Nouns and adjectives, clauses and prepositions, plurals and pronouns, and verbs and adverbs. So third one is the correct answer, plurals and pronouns. Now go to the fourth one. The feminine pronouns are he, his and him, she, she's and shim, she, her and hers, and he, she and it. So answer is she, her and hers. Now go to the next question. Read the poem and mark the following sentences as true or false. First one, the plural of cow may also be kind. So this statement is true according to the poem. English is called an easy language. False. Making plurals in English is easy. False. The singular form of feet is foot. True. And English is the trickiest language. True. So students, you have to write all these answers in your fair notebook. And then let's read. So you have to read this passage, and in the basis of your reading you find the answer with questions which is given here.